Good morning, students. Welcome back. We were studying about the helpful girl. How does girl help her parents in the house? How does she helps her friends in the classroom? How does she helps her friends when they go for picnic? Correct. And here it is told that whenever she used to be free, she used to prepare greeting cards for her friends so that she can give that greeting cards to her friends on their birthday parties. In this way, we studied about the helpful girl, and there is one question given in the book is write the actions that Rima did. What all actions did Rima did? So your question is question number second. Write the actions that Rima did. The actions which Rima did are, first one, I am writing answer. First one action which she did is Rima helped everyone in the classroom. Rima helped everyone in the classroom. Second point of the same answer is she helped her mother and father at home. She helped her mother and father. Mother and father. Third one, when she went on playground, she picked up small stones and thorns. Okay, when she went to the playground, she picked up stones and thorns. From the playground. What all things more she did is she made greeting cards for her friends. Fourth one is what? She made greeting cards. She made greeting cards for her friends. She made greeting cards for her friends. In this way, we have written that what actions are done by Rima in the lesson. Now, let us start with new chapter. The name of our lesson is word house. Now, word house means what? All types of words are used in some particular manner. Some words are used in numbers, some words are used as the things which are there in the house. Some words are used as parts of our body. Some words are used as clothes which we wear. And here it is told that there are 4 columns, different columns made. Okay, 4 groups are made. One group is of home. Another group is of numbers. Third group is of body parts, and fourth group is of clothes. Now, which all things come in home, that we are going to write down here. Which all things comes in numbers, that we are going to write down here. Which all words comes in body parts, that we are going to write down here in the third box. And which all words comes in the box of clothes, that we are going to write down in fourth box. Understood? So, we are going to study about, here it is given, read and write down the related words in the blanks. Some blanks are given, and what we have to do, we have to write down related words in the blanks. Now, there are 4 blanks given. First blank is of home. H-O-M-E, home. Second blank is given of numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. Now, which all words will come in home? Let us go from first line, okay? Home. TV will come in house. Yes, home. Yes. Kitchen. Yes. Spoon. Yes. Glass. Glass will come in a home. Bag will come in home. Hall will come in home. No, dress will not come. Bed will come in home. So in this way, kitchen, 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 hall, bed, TV, cupboard, spoon are the words which will come in the box of kitchen. Box of home. Second one is numbers. Now, what all words, which are numbers in the words which are given here? 4, 5, FIVE, 5. Then 4, first, ONE, 1. More, THREE, 3. These are what numbers? 5, 4, first. 5, 4, first, 1, 3. These are what? These are numbers which we use in English, or you can say which we use in the maths. Next column is of body parts. Next column is of what? Body parts. BODY, body, PARTS, parts. Now in body parts, which all things will come? Come on, tell. Stomach. Yes. STOMACH, stomach. Stomach means what in Marathi? Pot. Knee. KNEE, knee. Knee is where? Here. Knee means what in Marathi? Gudga. Next one. Shoulder. SHOULDER, shoulder. Shoulder means what? Khanda. Eyes. EYES, eyes. Eyes means what? Dole. Wrist. WRIST, wrist. Wrist means what in Marathi? This is our wrist. Means what? Mangat. Okay. After wrist is elbow. ELBOW, elbow. Where is your elbow? Elbow is here. Correct? It is called what? It is called elbow. Next one is head. HEAD, head. Head means what in Marathi? Doko. Understood? In this way we studied third group of words. Now fourth group of words is clothes. CLOTHES, clothes. Now which all things will come in clothes? Dress. DRESS, dress. Sari. SAREE, sari. Socks. SOCKS, socks. Coat. COAT, coat. Raincoat. RAINCOAT, raincoat. More what? Shirt. SHIRT, shirt. More all words. Which all words will come in clothes? I think so this much is enough. In this way we have made 4 columns of word house. There are some words which are used in the house. Okay. There are some words which are used as numbers. There are some words which are used as body parts. There are some words which are used as clothes. In this way we have completed what? We have completed word house. What we have completed? We have completed word house. How to classify words according to their groups. Correct or not? Which all words you should know? one means what it is number, you should know. Fingers means what it is body parts, correct. If I will say dress, then you should know, array it comes in clothes. In this way you should able to identify which words will come in which column. Understood? In this way we have completed our lesson number 6 of unit 4, word house. Okay, if you have any doubt, I will clear your doubts in tomorrow's period. Okay, please complete. Do one thing, you have to write down these words in the blanks. Blanks are there in your book, you have to write down these words in your blanks, and as well as you have to draw the same picture in your notebook. Understood? We will meet tomorrow with new lesson. Okay, thank you.